All right, your reading assignment for this module is to read this document. It's an Apple document called Apps in the Classroom, using iOS apps for teaching and learning. And I want you to read it closely because this is going to work as the framework for you with the questions that you're going to use, because you're going to install an app on your iPad and then you're going to review it using this guide. So for things like engagement, is the app inviting? Does it give a good first impression? Is the app intuitive? When we get down into developmental appropriateness, is the user interface age appropriate? Does it appeal to the intended level? Instructional design, so communication, learning goals, purpose, skills. So pay attention to that area. Motivation, right? How will the app build on the skills? Are the gaming principles used? Is there any motivational potential here? And then the last thing, accessibility. So many of you are special education teachers, so does the app include a range of levels for different kinds of users? Does the app support multiple learning modalities? Does the app let users personalize the user interface? Does it take advantage of features such as voiceover or closed captioning? So these are all important questions that I want you to ask while you are completing your review. And I suggest you do this like we did the last set of projects, where you go in the analog and you write down your answers to these questions as you are reviewing and playing and using this app, and then you go back and create a screencast. And you might want to storyboard this out, have a plan for how this is going to look. But a screencast is exactly what you're looking at. It's digital recording of a screen with some audio narration. You're going to do the same, but you're not going to have the video playing. So you're going to have the screen recorded, and then you're going to narrate over the top of that. And you're going to use an app called Explain Everything to do that. And it's actually created by a friend of mine, Rashawn Richards, who is a math teacher, and he really wanted to build an app, and he works with a team called Morris Code, and this is the app that they came up with. Now, a few reasons why we're using Explain Everything. One, it's multi-platform. It's iOS, so it's Apple. It's Android, so it's the Google platform, and it's also Windows. So you could download either one of those. We're also using it because they have a great series of video-based tutorials. So if you get stuck, watch these video tutorials. So let's take a quick look, an overview of Explain Everything.
Explain Everything is an easy-to-use design, screencasting, and interactive whiteboard tool that lets you annotate, animate, narrate, import, and export almost anything to and from almost anywhere. Add new or existing photos and videos. Import PDF, PowerPoint, and a variety of other file types from Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, WebDAV, and more. All object animations, drawings, and annotations get captured by Explain Everything. Export MP4 movies, PDF documents, PNG images, or XPL project files directly from your iPad. No account is necessary to use Explain Everything and share creations. Pressing the time counter reveals a timeline scrubber. This allows for rewinding to precise locations in the recording and appending replacement recordings and animations. It is possible to import video files into Explain Everything and annotate video within video. Multiple videos can be on a stage at the same time, though the more complicated the project, the larger the file size and export time. When you start a new project, you can choose from 4 template designs. The color templates can be changed for any slide within a project. Exporting a project can be as simple as 2 touches. Explain Everything provides a variety of advanced export features for file type and destination. More possibilities and options will be added in future updates.
Okay, so that's a little overview of what Explain Everything does. Once you've installed that app, how to get your content in there is explained in those video tutorials below. But if you want to create screen captures of what's happening in the app, if you hold down the power button and the home button on the iPad at the same time, it creates a screen grab or screen capture and puts that into the camera roll. So you'll be able to load in pictures from the actual screens from the app that you are reviewing. And so that's it.